Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Look, I found the OPH Nebula in the constellation of Ophiucus. Beautiful, beautiful nebula. I looked it up. I always find it magnificent finding a nebula. The colors are always different depending on which country you are. This is seen from my area here in Quebec, Canada. In the constellation of Ophiucus, here, OPH Nebula is surrounded by the constellation of Scorpius, just to give you a brief idea. Lupus on the bottom, Libra over to the right. And there's a couple of other deep space objects. And just to show you guys briefly, in my last videos, remember Alniat right here, the beautiful reflection of the dust that we could see, the red flame in the video. We could see Alniat here in the other one with NGC 6144 and NGC 6121 and beautiful M4 we were able to see in the last video. Dias Chuba. This is a close-up of the nebula in Ophiucus constellation, the OPH Nebula, RHO, in the cloud complex, meaning these are nebula with star systems birthing stars inside, and these nebulas are filled with gases, very dense gases. And what happens is we don't even know yet how the stars form. Imagine, we know that they're formed inside the nebulas, that once a star gets big enough or heavy enough, it will descend through the gas, it will drop out of the gas. This also causes, imagine, stellar winds, and this is why we are seeing all these dust particles throughout the universe and in many of the pictures, which brings us beautiful nebula pictures. Dense circumstellar disk. Amazing.
The constellation of Ophiucus is a fairly large and rambling constellation. It's one of the least well known, although Ophiucus does touch the ecliptic, the path that the sun appears to take through the sky. Astrologers for centuries ignored it as a part of the zodiac. The constellation finally got some respect in 2011 when they added Ophiucus as an astrological sign and realigned the zodiac calendar. Now, the location of Ophiucus spans 948 square degrees in area. It can be found northwest of the center of the Milky Way. It is situated near the constellations Aquila, Serpens, Hercules, and opposite Orion. The constellation of Ophiucus also houses Kepler's supernova, also known as Kepler's star of supernova 1604, as it was discovered by German astronomer Johannes Kepler. He tracked the supernova for a year, and its remnants are still studied today, as it was the most recent supernova to be observed with the naked eye. Ophiucus is home to a number of star clusters, including M10, which is only 20,000 light years from Earth. It has a magnitude of 6.6 and is a Shapley class 6 cluster.
Now these nebulas are so dense, meaning here, this is dust. Lots of black, dark dust. This here, the nebulas are so thick that it's dense. I'm sure, obviously we die and we could breathe in there, but we could literally walk on there. That's how thick it is. We could build houses on there. I'm talking denseness. This is what we're talking about, the density. It is so dense. And I am seeing formations, like formations on a planet, like mountains, rock that is inside of the nebula of Orion. I'm going to make a video on that. This is massive information. It's amazing to get that close inside to see rock formations and to see surfaces. I'm not joking about it. I know it sounds ridiculous. Look at that. It's literally a planet. Say to yourself, if these are all birthing stars, of course there's going to be some star material left there, no doubt. And look at this up here. No, it's not a mistake. It looks like a warp. Look at that. Look at the colors. That is amazing.